Hello and welcome to the series finale of Drill This. Today I'm going to be doing the Drill This episode you've been wanting to see all along. I'm going to be drilling through this microwave, who you may remember from a few years ago that I named Ellen. Well, it doesn't work anymore, so I can't use it for microwave experiments. Might as well drill through it. Now, I shouldn't have to say this, but don't try this at home. That door put up a little more of a fight than I thought it would, but I'm sure you think just drilling through the door is underwhelming for having this been the first video I've done in a while, and I agree. So, you can also drill through the She put up a hell of a fight, but in the end, I won. And that, my friends, is how you drill through a microwave.